I love new shoe day, don't you? And they've just arrived today, so I get to lace them up and probably in the next few days use them. I think that's about the 5th colour in the new Metaspeed Sky Pluses since they brought them out a bit over a year ago. So they've arrived today. I'm a big fan of these because they're going to about to replace these ones, which I think have done about 800 kilometres on. I usually get 600, 700, 800 kilometres, and then those ones, well, I think those ones came before it. And these ones came before it. These all have, that 600, 700, 800 kilometers on them. And I think they're the ones that first came out and then switched to those colors. Anyhow, so cool colors. They've gone back to the red, which I think before the pluses, they had a whole lot of reds actually. I think hiding over in this box, you can see there was the pink with the yellow, and then there was a whole bunch of the Tokyo edition ones. I think I'll be through. There's the Tokyo editions. So yeah, new shoe day. We'll get those ready and going.